Today we're going to be changing out the handlebar. This is more cosmetic than anything, but to me, this is probably the ugliest part of the bike, and I can't wait to get that changed. Okay, so today we'll be changing out the handlebar with the Thai Parts Workshop S-Type titanium. This has the laser engraved logo here, so this will help you put on the handlebars nice and straight. Okay, this is the 3-degree bar. They make a 6-degree bar as well. So if you like it more of an angle, you can buy that one instead. Okay, so step one will be removing the old bar, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the original handlebar and the Thai Parts Workshop one. As you can see, it's about an inch too long on each side. If you're taller or have big arms, this might be good for you, but I'm gonna try and keep it as close to the stock length as possible. This is the rigid 101, and it's specifically designed to cut pipes. Do it about here. Okay, the way this tool works is it scores it, makes a line, you tighten a little bit more, and it scores it more until it finally cuts through. So you just keep going in a circle until you feel it loosen up a little bit, and then eventually you'll get a nice line. All right. Okay, and I think that did it. There you go. Nice clean cut. Okay, so we got the left side off. To get the right side off, we're just going to use the one we cut and use it to get the exact same size and line it up correctly. This way, we're 100% sure we have the same length. And that'll be the line. All right. This is probably about halfway through, and you can see it's developing a nice line. All done. They're exactly the same size. If you don't have a pipe cutter, you can also use a hacksaw, but the edges will be a little bit more rougher. The ends came out very smooth, but I'm going to hit it with a little bit of sandpaper just to knock off some of the sharp edges. And you can see it's much closer to the original. There you go. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, the aluminum. I don't like the gray, I guess, the way it looks. This looks much fancier. I've always wanted to change this. Ten inches from there. 10 inches, a little bit more. Adjusted the bar so it's directly in the middle, and I'm trying to stretch it on, so you got to turn the handlebar like this, and then it should go on. You should be able to get it on there. All right. Okay. Get this one on here as well. Okay, so we got most of the parts back on. I'm gonna put the quad lock back on here, but it'll take a little bit of adjusting, you know, to get it back the way you like it. But pretty much we're done, and it looks much better. I think the handlebars match the seat post much better now, and also the other titanium parts. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. All right.